Things like joint pain, energy, mood, hormones, and your immune system are all linked to your gut. We've talked about this in previous episodes. In fact, last episode was a very good episode that we relaunched, talking just about this. And so you're going to learn really how we uncover the hidden imbalances and how most conventional testing actually misses these things, like gut dysbiosis, low bacterial diversity, leaky gut, and inflammatory toxins that can then trigger everything from fatigue to autoimmune disease. So by the end of this episode, you will understand why I say this is the best test and really why it's become a cornerstone for nearly every patient we see at Alessi Functional Health. Because when you fix the gut, you are fixing the foundation. So let's get right into this. And so there was a study in 2021 published in Nature Microbiology that found reduced microbial diversity was linked to everything from metabolic syndrome and autoimmune disease. And in that study, they also found that this related to things like neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. So this number right here, and this is, again, on your report, it's not just a data point. This is a reflection of your biological resilience. And then the gut health score is combining metrics from multiple categories, like I said, microbial balance, how much beneficial versus harmful species you have in your body, inflammation markers, and overall functionality of your gut. In the clinic, we like to see this number in the 80s. I prefer 85 or above. A score below 70 tells us the gut is struggling severely, whether that's an infection, poor digestion, or again, imbalance in the bacterial terrain. And so we can see here this 78, I mean, that's definitely suboptimal. It's under 80. And so we would take attention to what things need work. Now, if you see a score like this, it doesn't mean that you're broken, you're dying, right? It's not the end of the world, but it means that your gut has something going on and it's asking for some attention. And so the perspective I always give my patients, conventional medicine is going to wait for this score to be bad enough that you have severe issues. But with functional medicine, as we know, we talk about on the podcast all the time, this lets us get a gauge of where you are to get ahead of problems before they possibly become worse.